What's up, King? I hope you are absolutely fine. So, today we are going to talk about the villagers' professions. So, there are 13 kinds of professions for a villager: cleric, librarian, leather worker, farmer, armor वाला, उसके बाद butcher, fisherman, shepherd, cartographer, fletcher, फिर toolsmith, weaponsmith और stone mason.
Don't let your kids watch it!
We will start with armorer and the currency in Minecraft is emerald. ये ऊपर का जो बार है that is experience bar of the trader. Now look, I cannot get more of this. This thing will be available to me after some time but not now. अभी के लिए मेरे को कुछ और खरीदना होगा या और कुछ बेचना होगा. Now the amount for exhaustion depends from item to item. Okay, so now he has leveled up to a journeyman and अभी जब ये नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाएगा एक्सपर्ट में तब इसको एमरल्ड बटन मिलेगा और उसके बाद जब मास्टर बन जाएगा तब डायमंड मिल जाएगा. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द रैंक ऑफ एनी ट्रेडर बाई लुकिंग एट हिज बेली. उधर ही बटन पहनता है, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ अभी, रुको. सो देर विल बी गुड डील्स एंड देर विल बी डम्बेस्ट डील्स लाइक दिस वन. You have to choose wisely. Look at that green button, that is the emerald button. Now I will transfer him to the master level. And boom, it has turned into blue. Now the deal he will give you is the final deal and it will not be altered. Price will go up and down, but don't expect anything more. Now the most important person, librarian. Okay, now let me tell you briefly about the trading system. Suppose you have too much of carrot, but you don't need so many, then you can sell it. Then what will you do? You will sell it. Now you will have emeralds in return. You know there are some very important uncraftable items like treasure maps, like woodland mansion maps, like sea temple maps, which you will not get you will not get anywhere. Let's be honest. And the most important thing that you will need is enchantment books. Okay, so you will need the emerald to buy the book from this librarian. If you don't like the deal a librarian is giving you, just break the lectern and put it once again. You will claim the lectern and you will get new deals. मेरे को 20 emerald में mending मिलता है और बताओ. And mending is the rarest enchantment. मेरे को आज तक नहीं मिला mending उस enchantment table पे. As the librarian will level up, he will give you more books, but focus on the first book which he is giving to you because you have your control upon that one. You can get a very good enchantment from the first one. Okay, you cannot change the deals after your first deal is made, so do that wisely. And if you make a deal, both the deal and the profession is locked for that person. When you will level up the librarian, you will have different deals. So I got the uncraftable item from him when he reached the master level, and that is name tag. I can use this name tag to name anyone like this too. Yes, you are Ivy from now. The best thing a fisherman can give you is a enchanted fishing rod. You can get bows and tipped arrows from Fletcher. If you have a zombie farm, you can sell your rotten flesh to a cleric. Now see, I was telling you price will go up and down. This is the example. Most probably he will trade iron in his second deal. If he becomes a master designer, blocks मिल जाएगा तुम्हें max to max. अगर तुम्हारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा कद्दू है, इसको बेच दो. He will buy pumpkins and watermelons from you. Then we have shepherd. If you have any dye, you can sell it to a shepherd. Okay, so we have the second deal of the toolsmith. It's 4 iron ingot for 1 emerald. As I have said, you can buy uncraftable items like bell. Then we have a butcher. ये sweet berry खरीदेगा तुमसे. Don't sell your meat, okay? You will need your meat. Next up, we have the leather worker. The best thing that a leather worker can give you is a saddle. And then we have cartographer. You can sell him your extra paper, or when he will become a master, he can sell you a map to the wooden mansion. So I didn't like the deals the farmer was giving me. I will break his table and I will give him another one. Now I like his deals. I will sell him carrots. You know, apple is a non-craftable item, and golden carrots are very useful things. So you can buy apple from him and you can merge it with gold to make golden apple. और pumpkin pie तो तुम्हें मिल रहा है, pumpkin pie you can buy if you have too many emeralds. Now look at the gold. He is a journeyman now. Now look at this. I can sell him the extra melon I have. So he is an expert now. So he has a emerald badge. An emerald badge. My bad. These are good deals of glistering melon and golden carrots. They have specific uses. So this is a very good deal. So I made a deal with a cartographer. Now I will break his table and give him a smoker. देखो profession change नहीं हुआ. Now I will give him his table back. Yes, he claims it. And the deals will not change as well. So he didn't give me the map. So I told you it depends. अगर तुम 4 cartographer बनाओगे उनमें से एक दे देगा शायद when you will reach the master level. If you're struggling for ender pearl, buy it from a cleric. And a bottle of enchantment from a cleric. So that's all about trading system. और ये भी अपने में प्यार बसा रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया. प्रिज्म होएगा. अच्छा ब्रेकअप भी हो गया इनमें. नाइस. Thanks for watching King. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Take this emerald, buy something for your girlfriend. Enjoy, spend these emeralds wisely. Till then, bye. I will meet you in part 2.